Which ones are your favorite? Say it again.
Pop-Tart.
Don't touch on. Remember what I said.
This old one with Pop-Tart. Baby, come out, there's presents on chemistry. Baby, the presents.
We're not touching presents. Oh, this is a good look right here. Watch this, guys.
What?
Oh, yeah. It's got that front flap look. Sawyer. Yes.
Oh.
Gangsta.
Baby, look at presents.
You got your flap hanging out.
Can I have door presents?
You touch a present, Santa's taking it back.
Can I have door presents?
Yep, you can have 4 presents on Christmas. So which 4? Which 4?
There's a Pop-Tart one and an owl one and a normal Pop-Tart one.
That's 3.
And
That don't touch.
that's 2.
All right, I'll think about it.
I just got a cake. I just want that present. I'm gonna get that present. It's a box. It's
Are we gonna make a Rice Krispie train?
a huss.
All right, let's go to the table. Go to the table, baby. We'll make a train. I think Winston's gonna pass.
You rinse the what?
Listen, I just don't understand his exhaustion right now.